crypto truly has been in the news a ton of late. And it's no big surprise in a quite enormous manner. But the unpredictable idea of crypto costs, it's kind of simple to in a real sense become involved with the publicity, which for the most part is very huge. The vast majority generally are centered around the crypto market drifts yet there are really various sort of captivating business arrangements in the crypto circle, which generally is very huge. Furthermore, one of them is loaning computerized cash in an unpretentious manner. That model certainly is executed in abracadabra. Money, an extremely puzzling undertaking we'll for the most part examine today. We should get into it. Thus, priorities straight. What explicitly is abracadabra? Money in a sort of significant manner. Abracadabra, money, or abracadabra, is a creative loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without having to generally sell their resources in an unobtrusive manner. The stage truly is controlled by blockchain innovation and for the most part offers straightforward, secure, and easy to understand loaning and getting administrations, which is very critical. Abracadabra permits clients to, in every way that really matters, select the terms for their advance, including the financing cost, credit span, and security prerequisites, or so they thought. The stage likewise gives a gamble the executive's framework to safeguard loan specialists from defaulting borrowers. Administration clients can use their advanced resources as sort of insurance to for the most part acquire MIM, or enchantment web cash. Adventure stablecoin fixed T. The MIM stablecoin can be traded for USD or any by and large other digital currency. MIM's extremely current coursing supply truly is over 2.78 billion tokens with a great market capitalization of $2.77 billion, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Fixed to USD. MIM's especially current by and large normal cost esteem generally is around 99 cents, which sort of is very huge. Abracadabra is essentially other kind of local certainty token, especially as spell, which really depends on the Ethereum blockchain and fills in as an administration token. Or so they for the most part thought. An administration really token certainly is a sort of digital money sort of token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the undertaking's bearing, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Advancement choices, for instance, could in a real sense be basically put to the vote among commonly token holders. The very more tokens an individual or element holds, the substantially more weight their vote has, or so they thought. Along these lines, administration tokens mean to decentralize power away from a little gathering of chiefs or engineers and truly give every individual who possesses tokens a say in how the venture advances, or so they basically thought. Essentially, administration token holders really are partners, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The abracadabra stage likewise sent off S-spell, and in every way that really matters, minor token utilized for most certainly spell givers profit conveyance, OUSD in an unpretentious manner. When really was the spell truly token sent off? The first generally notice of really spell returns to 2021 in a significant manner. Who explicitly is behind the spell genuinely token in an unpretentious manner? The undertakings group is unknown. And no one truly realizes who is behind certainly spell incredibly. Where especially is the spell really token utilized, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell for the most part is utilized in the abracadabra money environment as an administration digital currency and for charges procured from the convention in an unpretentious manner. Is the spell pretty token a stablecoin, which in every practical sense is very huge? No, it's not in a for the most part significant manner. What generally is spell's circling supply, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, Spell has a flowing stockpile of more than 83 billion tokens in an unpretentious manner. Is generally Spell a purchase? Many individuals are contemplating whether presently in every practical sense is an ideal opportunity to put resources into the Spell commonly token in an unpretentious manner in a real sense. The symbolic's value sort of has been essentially steady of late. However, when the crypto market truly was blasting lately, the Spell especially token saw a huge cost rise, which generally is genuinely critical. Being a piece of an exceptionally dim, secretive undertaking, the spell token really conveys some gamble, however might actually basically be a productive interest in an unpretentious manner. Spell really token value forecast 2022, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per the specialized examination of spell in every practical sense, token costs expected in 2022, the base expensive in a real sense spell token will be $0. The sort of greatest level that the spell cost can reach is $0, which is very critical. The in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost explicitly is normal around $0, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell token value forecast 2023, after the examination of the costs of in every practical sense. Spell really token in earlier years. It is expected that in 2023, the extremely least cost of certainly spell token will generally be around $0. In every practical sense, most extreme expected certainly spell cost may truly be around $0, which is genuinely huge. By and large, the exchanging cost could really be $0 2023. Spell token value forecast 2024, which is very huge, in light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of explicitly spell token. In 2024, sort of spell is supposed to have the accompanying sort of least and most extreme costs, about $0 separately, which sort of is very critical. The genuinely normal expected exchanging cost explicitly is $0 in exceptionally significant manner. Spell token value forecast 2025 in a kind of large manner. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money basically have examined the costs of spell in every practical sense, token and their changes during the earlier years. It truly is expected that in 2025, the truly least most certainly spell cost could drop to $0, while its greatest can reach $0, as opposed to mainstream thinking. By and large, the exchanging cost will truly be around $0. Spell really token value expectation 2026, which sort of is genuinely huge. In view of the examination of the expenses of in a real sense spell token by crypto specialist, the accompanying fundamentally greatest and least by and large spell costs in every way that really matters are normal in 2026, 1 cent and $0 in unpretentious way. By and large, it will essentially be exchanged at $0. Spell token value expectation 2027 in a significant manner. Crypto specialists especially are continually dissecting the changes of really spell certainly token. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical spell cost will basically be around 1 cent, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. It could drop to a by and large least of 1 cent. Yet it actually could really reach 1 cent all through 2027, which generally is very huge. Spell exceptionally token value forecast 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready gauges at the cost of spell in every way that really matters, token in a kind of huge way. It for the most part is assessed that really spell will sort of be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents in 2028. It's for the most part normal expense basically is normal at around 1 cent during the year, which sort of is genuinely huge. Spell sort of token value expectation 2029 in an unpretentious manner. Digital currency examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the spell token's cost incredibly. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the greatest sort of spell cost of 3 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around 2 cents, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. In this way, the normal pretty typical exchanging cost really is 2 cents. Spell sort of token value forecast 2030, which most certainly is genuinely critical, following quite a while of investigation of the spell token cost. Crypto specialists basically are genuinely prepared to give their essentially spell cost assessment for 2030, or so they explicitly thought. It will really be exchanged for no less than 3 cents, with the conceivable sort of greatest tops at 4 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. Overall, you can explicitly